In this video, we are going to look at a product of matrix by another matrix. Sometimes you'll be given two matrices, and then you have to get their product. Now, the way you do it, first you have to know that this line, the vertical line in which the numbers are written, this 1 and 2, that is called column. That's a column. It's also applied to this, also a column. While 1, 3, 2, 4, this the horizontal lines, they are called rows. The horizontal lines are called rows. Now, when we are multiplying two matrices, we take the first row, we multiply by the first column. Then we write our square brackets. We take 1 and then times -2, and then we say plus. We are done with 1 and -2. After writing plus, we now move on to 3 times 1. After that, we move on to here, still the first column, the first row times the second column. And we're going to have 1 times +4 plus 3 times 3. And then we can now put our square bracket. After that, we move on to the second row and the first column. 2 times -2, and then plus 0 times 1. We move on to the other point. We still take the second the second row, we multiply by the second column. 2 times 4 plus 0 times 3. Say equal. Now we need to simplify that. +1 times -2, we get -2. Say plus 3 times 1 is 3. Here we have 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3 times 3 is 9. After that, we come here. 2 times -2 is -4 plus 0 times 1 is 0. And then we can also come here. 2 times 4 is 8, and then plus 0 times 3 is 0. We can also simplify that. -2 plus 3 is +1. 4 plus 9, we get 13. -4 plus 0 is -4. 8 plus 0 is 8. This is the answer. Whenever you have two matrices, always remember that you multiply a row by column. Maybe we can repeat the first step. First you take the first row. I'll write R1 standing for row 1. You multiply by column 1, C1, column 1. While here you take row 1, you multiply by column 2. And this one here, you take row 2, you multiply by column 1. And here you take row 2, you multiply by column 2. That is basically how you get product of two matrices. In the next video, I will do product of a scalar by matrix. Product of a scalar by matrix.